This video will demonstrate how to draw linked annotations in LiveCount from Accubid Classic. To begin, first select the annotation type in which you want to draw. In this example, I will be drawing a counted assembly. And on double click of the assembly, the measure takeoff window is launched, and I'm immediately placed into the draw operation as I have selected Enable LiveCount Auto Launch. Once in the draw operation, I can proceed to place points, and then on right click or press of the Enter key, I can commit those annotations to the canvas, which then creates a corresponding line item within Accubid. The source is shown as LiveCount. That is the way that I know within the estimating client that this row is linked to an annotation within LiveCount. Performing a second count at any point within the draw operation, I can click the cancel button from within Accubid or the cancel button within LiveCount to cancel the draw operation and then clean up any previously placed points. To demonstrate this with a length assembly, I'll select one from my common assemblies, and then I can draw it as desired. To demonstrate the effects of enabling LiveCount Auto Launch, I will deselect this option. I will select a new assembly. And as you can see, I am not immediately placed in the draw mode. So what I can do is specify a length or count manually, or I can click the ellipsis, which will then initiate a linked draw operation. Click OK, it commits it to the audit trail. So again, I'll perform the same steps. This time, I'm going to define a length of 10 and a count of 10. Click OK. It's committed to the audit trail. Its source is not LiveCount. However, if I want to come back to this line item at some point in the future and draw a linked annotation, I can by double-clicking the line item, double-clicking an item within it, click the ellipsis as we did before, which will then initiate a linked annotation draw within LiveCount. I'll end the run, and what we will see here is the static value I entered of 10 feet and a count of 10 is updated to the calculated measurement obtained from LiveCount. So I'll click OK, finish the takeoff, and we'll see here that the quantities are updated and the source is now shown as LiveCount.